Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I bought some wall growth off of Amazon, and I got Amazon Prime. I bought it Friday and it came today. So I'm going to open the package. Okay, it came in a package and then it came off in a little baggie. And here's the yellow bottle. It says Wall Grow Liquid Oil Moisturizer. This one I do believe you put it off in shampoos. You can put it off in shampoo. And hold on, let me read it a little bit. It says shake well. You can, after 3 times per week, you're supposed to put this one off in your head. And this one is the white bottle, and it just says Wild Growth Oil. And you can apply this every day, average 3 times per week. The same thing, you add this 3 times a week. I'm fit to smell it right quick. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, I smelled this one, and this one smelled like, okay. I'm not too fond about the smell. And this one, I do not like the smell on this one. I will have to take some time to get used to this, but it stinks. The reason why I brought these two, because they was showing it on Facebook, so I went to go look it up, and they had it at Walmart. And you're supposed to have it off in your local beauty supply store, but I stay far from my local beauty supply store, so I ordered it off of Amazon. I think I paid $14 and something for it, for both of these bottles. I did a lot of YouTube videos, and majority of the people say that they like it, and they help their hair grow, and it thickens their hair. So I'm going to be giving these 2 bottles a try, and then I'll be back with a video to tell y'all if I like it or not. I hope y'all like this video. Bye.